Well, we discovered this little end table. It's got good bonds, but I do not understand what someone was thinking with this baby blue with a yellow varnish. It's hideous, but we're going to fix that. First, I'm going to use a damp cloth and give it a good clean and take off the hardware. I'm using pure Artisan black and white gloss paint mixed together to make this lovely shade of grey. We got a really good coverage, but I'm just going to let it dry and give it a second coat. 2 coats were more than enough. My next step, I'm going to paint a beautiful faux marble finish on the top and add a wee bit of sophistication to this table. I'm using a white Scumble glaze, which is made up with 3 parts Scumble and 1 part paint. With a soft brush, I'm softening the sharpness of the crinkles and making it more cloud-like. I'm applying some plain Scumble and then dragging a brush with Scumble glaze over the top to create marble veins. This process requires patience and lots of soft brushing. You might want to practice on a piece of wood before you do it on a piece of furniture. The next step, I'm going to add a little bit of a time-worn finish by using sandpaper and just taking the paint off here and there on the edges where it would wear naturally over time. Now, one thing to remember, do less than you think that you need, and I'll guarantee that 99% of the time that's all you want, because we tend to do more than we really need. So best to do less and you'll most likely be there where you want to be. So that's looking good. The next step, we're going to use some foil. So the leaf and foil size is the adhesive, and you just give it a nice easy coat. So you have to be very precise, and you don't want to put anywhere you don't want to see any foil. When you apply the size, it's a milky white color, and when it's completely dry, it's transparent and a wee bit shiny. So you have to wait to that point in time before the foil will adhere. Always remember, you put the dull side on top of the size, never the shiny side. So you just position your foil and you rub it with your finger. Always pull down, never pull out. Like so, and you get a beautiful application of the silver leaf. Once you've applied the foil and the silver has been removed, you're left with a transparent carrier area. It's like cellophane. Never ever put a piece of the foil that has no silver on it on top of the size, because that'll just pull the size off because there's no silver to adhere. And I think I'm going to silver leaf the hardware, yeah, just to tie it in. I'm going to add a roasted pecan wood stain to create a nice warm patina. And I'm wiping it back with a damp cloth. It just takes the shine off of the foil. That just looks so warm. It's a beautiful time-worn patina. Look at that. It's important that when you finish foiling to seal the foil with a clear top coat. Jimmy tip, don't forget. What a great transformation. Oh, and there's a little Jimmy surprise too. Well, let's take a closer look, and please let me know what you think in the comments.